Where's the pepperoni? Where's the pepperoni?
Nevada.
Oh, Nevada. Where's Nevada put that room at?
Yeah, you didn't know me.
Like
No
me,
one knows
I'm
music, but when there was, you were paparazzi, motherfucker. Whoa. Hey. Don't headbutt nobody with that. That motherfucker looks like a goddamn Battlestar Galactica weapon. Hey, my girlfriend thinks she's about dancing, but this paparazzi chick, she took the fuck off like I don't know what. She is not a Greek god. She is the farthest thing from it. She is like, my ass on fire. That toilet paper. Hey, there is a lot of popcorn you are sleeping up there.
Not really.
Is it? Let me get a bite of that. I'm
hungry. Oh, no.
I got.
Oh, my gosh. It's not.
Right here.
Oh, boy.
Hey, well, my working is in here. Cause there ain't nothing good as cousin hair and Waldo Fudge and Geronimo ass. Yeah, have you ever ate Geronimo ass?
Well, the crumbs in the box.
I don't know where it came from, but I just ate some Geronimo ass. You should just quit sleeping. Cause my kid, he is crazy as fuck. Yeah. You go ask her what her real name is. She thinks her name is Juliet. And it looks good. And keep sleeping at night more people are going to
You think so?